Hello guys, this is Robin Jean for Self-Taught POLYGLOT. This is another video from the YouTube channel for my English-speaking friends. Basically, we're learning Haitian Creole, okay, or Haitian linguistics, Haitian culture, or Haitian world view. Okay, this video is not for Haitian folks. Today we're going to learn the Haitian, the personal pronouns of the Haitian language. What are the personal pronouns in the Haitian language? Personal pronouns in English is very easy. We obviously know that we use personal pronouns whenever someone, the speaker, is the person who's talking is going to make an action, okay, is going to do something, and he or she uses the personal pronouns in order to indicate that she is in charge or he is in charge. He is the person who's going to do the thing, the action, okay? It is a subject pronouns. It is a subject, the one who's going to do, to perform, whereas object pronouns is the one who's going to receive, right? In English, we have I is a subject pronouns and me is the object pronoun in English. So now, let's focus on Haitian Creole. What are the subject pronouns in English? The first one is Mwen. For I, Mwen. Mwen. The M-W-E-N. How do you pronounce that? Mwen. 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 Okay. You. Ou. 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 It doesn't matter if it's just mwen is a I for a man or woman. Mwen, both. Okay. Male, female. Ou, the same thing. You, male, female. Ou. Ou. O-U. Ou. Ou. Li. 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 L-I. Li. Li. Okay, it doesn't matter if it is a man or women. We. Nous. 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 Like in English, you have you for singular, and you have you for plural. In Haitian Creole, we have the same thing. For the second personal pronouns in plural forms, we use nous again. Nous for you, nous for we, nous for you, nous for you. You, in the sense that the speaker is not part of what he is referring to. Okay, like for example, you are like a bunch of people, plural. You are talking to me. In Haitian Creole, we say nous a parlé avec. Nous a parlé avec. Nous a parlé avec. Nous attendem. Nous attendem. You are listening to me. Suppose that many people are watching this video, okay? Nous regardem. You're watching me. Nous regardem. Nous, c'est humain. We are human beings, okay? You see the difference between the two nous? And then for they, we have yo. Yo. Y-O. Yo. Yo. Like in go. Yo. Like in yo-yo. Yo. Yo. Mwen. Ou. Li. Nous. Nous. Yo. Okay, that's it, guys. This is Robin Jean for Self-Taught POLYGLOT, and this is personal pronouns in Haitian Creole. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next video from me about Haitian Creole in general. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video to anyone who wants to learn Haitian Creole from scratch. We're gonna start from scratch, and expressions and culture in Haitian Creole. We're gonna cover a lot of these things from my YouTube channel. This is Self-Taught POLYGLOT on YouTube. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Self-Taught POLYGLOT pages. Okay, thank you so much for your time, dedication to learn with me and have fun with me. Okay, bye-bye.